Hello, how's it going? Um, Sorry I haven't made a vlog in a while. Um, Basically, if you watch YouTube Squad, the other channel that I post videos on, it's a community channel, by the way. If you've watched that, you know that for several months now I've been kind of depressed, probably severely depressed, but I think I'm coming out of it finally. Part of the reason why I was so depressed, is because some things happened in January and February that really sucked. That, and also certain things have been getting more difficult, taking more time to do, which means I've had less time to do what I want, whether it be working on making YouTube videos or other things like that. But the good news is that I ordered the first thing I need to get more time: a dishwasher. It's a countertop dishwasher. And basically, this will save me time. This will mean that I'll have less dishes I'll have to wash by hand, which is great because I hate doing the dishes. But more importantly, I have more time to work on YouTube and stuff. Um, if you know about the Kickstarter, you probably know that it was canceled. Yeah, you can go over to YouTube Squad to see why that is. But yeah, I ordered the dishwasher. I tried recording this before in my kitchen, but there was a fan on. It was kind of hot that day. Um, but yeah, so let's go see the new dishwasher. Okay, let's get this unpacking started. This unboxing of our dishwasher. It's a miracle of science and innovation. That right there is a miracle. Yes, excellent. So that's it. That's a new dishwasher. And I am proud to say that I have one now. But yeah, hopefully there will be more vlogs coming soon. In the meantime, if you'd like to stay up to date with what I'm doing, feel free to subscribe and press the bell to make sure that you're notified. And I will see you in the next vlog.